welcome back to another video. So I've got a few little bits here that Born Pretty has kindly sent me. I'll start with these pots. So these are, I'll stick a picture up on the screen, glitter sequin gels. There's 8 colours of these. Numbers 1 to 4 I believe are glow in the dark, and numbers 5 to 8 are not glow in the dark. So we've got them two. We've got this one. This is from their Trubuty brand new collection, I think. These are 15ml bottles. They're huge. Look at this packaging. These are like really... Look, it's got your instructions inside. Yeah, these are like, they've got that matte rubbery kind of silicone feel to the bottles. They are beautiful. Huge bottles. They've got the colour indicator on the top. These are, they just feel like a more luxurious gel. So we've got one of them to try as well. I've got one of these in the black bottles. I think I got that in a nude colour. We're going to give them a quick swatch anyway. And we've got, sorry, that the black bottles as well are 10ml, so they're quite big bottles as well. And this is one of their white ones, which is 7ml. I love these little white bottles. They've got really cute little short lids, but they're really comfortable to hold. I really like using these little white ones. And this one's called Snow Purple. That one's got a name. So I'm going to get all these open. And we'll give them a quick swatch, see what they're all saying. Right, so I think we'll start with this one. This is number 29. I'll leave the links to all these different collections below, and I'll leave the link to the website as well. Right, so let's see what this one's saying. This looks like a pretty colour. I did choose these colours, but it's hard to see on pictures what they actually are, aren't they? Oh, it does look pretty. Should I bring you in a bit now for these? Yeah, these are a brand new collection, these ones. I think they're called Trubuty, I'm not sure. I'm just going to apply a thin layer. Oh, this is nice. It's quite a thin-ish gel. It's definitely not a thick gel. I like that. Oh, that brush is so soft. That brush is such a soft brush. I like it. Yeah, that's really, really nice. I like the consistency of that. Yeah, it's quite thin. Definitely a 1/4. Such a pretty colour. I like that. Right, so I'm going to put that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, next we're going to try this one in the black bottles, the 10ml ones. And this is BP21. Yeah, I think this is a nude. I can remember wanting to try a nude. Yeah, love these kind of nudes. I do. I always, if I need a nude, I will either use a nude pink or a nude creamy beige like this. This is perfect for me. Perfect nude. Even that's applied beautifully with a bit of Aggie fluff. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I always miss bits down the edges. That's a gorgeous nude. I really like that. It's a tiny bit lighter than what the camera's showing. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. That's exactly the colour I was hoping it would be. Right, and lastly for the bottles, we're going to try this one that is called Snow Purple. This is a glittery one. Oh, this looks pretty. Oh, I might have to try this over a white as well. This is one of them. Oh, it's got like a UV kind of shift to it. Yeah, I'm going to try this. This is going to look so much nicer over a white, or any colour for that matter, but oh, that's pretty. It's got like a UV shift. It's beautiful. Oh wow. Right, I'm going to quickly paint a swatch stick white to try that. Right, so I've just quickly painted that swatch stick half white because I want to see it over a white, and half black. But that's it with 2 coats. How gorgeous is that? It's got hollow in it as well. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Right, so let's have a look at it over the black and the white. I think it might look best over the black. Oh my gosh. This is nice. It's almost like one of them chameleon gels. I've got a couple of chameleon gels that are just like this. Oh my. I think I prefer that over the black. That is beautiful. So that's it over the white. Even over the white, it's stunning. But look at it over the black. Oh, that could go over any colour, but that black is stunning. Wow. Right, so these are the glitter sequin gels. This one is number 1. It's actually got a name. This one's called Evening Fog. Right, so Born Pretty have also sent me a cute little brush. So it's a number 2 gel brush. So we're going to use that to apply these. So we're going to go with number 1. So this looks like, I'm not sure what this looks like. It's got like, again, this has got that kind of UV colour shift going on. Yeah, this has got that kind of UV colour shift going on. It's got chunky hexes in there. Oh, look at them UV, the light reflecting off them UV hexes. So yeah, this would probably be best used to do things like glitter fades and glitter ombres kind of thing. Same thing, isn't it? This is stunning. The colours that are coming off this is stunning. I think this would look gorgeous over a black as well. Yeah, this is going to look so pretty over a black. And it glows in the dark. Yeah, it's one of them gels. Just have to play about with and get it exactly where you want it. But that is so pretty. I haven't got anything like this. I haven't even got a glitter that's got these kind of colour shifts going on. I mean, look at the, can you see the purple UV? The camera just does it no justice whatsoever. No justice. So I'm going to cure that in the lamp. I'll give that a second coat as well. Right, and this one is number 3. What has this got a name? This one's called Carved Beams. So again, this looks like it's got a hollow going on. This is a chunky one as well. I think it's the same kind of mix, same kind of cut, same glitter. But orange. Gold hollow. So this has got quite chunky sized hexes, but it's also got little gold shards mixed in with it as well. It's really, really cool. Really cool. Again, it's one of them you just play about with till you've got all the pieces placed where you want them. This is nice. Them gold hexes, it's hard to explain this, but they're like really smooth, really shiny, smooth, shiny. So difficult to explain. And apparently this one glows in the dark as well. So I don't think we need to put this one over a black or a white, because it is just a gold hollow mix. But we'll definitely try the other one over a black. Right, I'm going to cure that in the lamp as well. And I think I'll give that a second coat. That's very pretty. Very, very pretty. This would look cool over a black as well. It really would. Right, let's get that cured as well. Right, what I've done with these two glitter pot ones is, because they are quite chunky glitters, I've just given them a couple of generous layers of Born Pretty Super Top Coat, just to encapsulate them and get them smooth. Now this one, what I didn't do is, what you should do, chunky glitters like this, once you've finished applying them, always pat them down like that to make sure there's none sticking up, which I did with the gold, but I didn't with this. So you'll see when I top coat it, it's got a couple of little sticky up bits, but yeah, you'll see in a minute. So I'm just gonna use this super top coat so we can see this in all its glory. Look at that, beautiful. These are going to be brilliant for if you want to do like a gold glitter fade on a nail. It's already pre-mixed, you wouldn't have to mix a gold glitter into a base coat. That'd be perfect for doing a glitter fade. Stunning that, isn't it? It's really, really nice. I love it. Right, and this one, it's probably got a couple of sticky up bits because I didn't pat it down before I put it in the lamp. Can't really see them actually. I love that UV colour shift you get on some of them hexes. I wish you could see what I'm seeing. It's just not picking it up at all. You can still see bits of the UV purple, but you're just not seeing the rest of it. It's full of tiny, tiny little silver shards. Tiny, tiny little, like silver foil or, yeah, tiny little pieces of silver foil that's made up of. It's beautiful, but the camera just doesn't pick it up. Such a shame. But I'll show you them two glowing in the dark in a minute. Right, so this is them all done. I'm going to show you my favourite one first. So that's this one, Snow Purple. So that's it just over the clear swatch stick. How gorgeous is that? It's stunning. I love it. Super, super happy with that. And then that's it over a black and a white. Over the black is my favourite. That is stunning, isn't it? Beautiful. So happy with that. I would imagine you could put that over any colour. It's beautiful. So that's that one. Then we've got this nude, which is BP21. I've done them half glossy, half matte. The matte is the Born Pretty matte top coat as well, which is a brilliant matte top coat. It is a true matte. It's beautiful. That's that one. And then we've got this one, which is number 29 from the Trubuty series. Beautiful pink. I love that matte top coat. One of my new favourite matte top coats that. I have got a couple on the go at the minute that I absolutely love. And this is one of them. Beautiful. Right, and then lastly, we've got the two glitter pots. I really, really like them. I think I prefer the gold one. But I think this one would totally depend on what nail you're putting it on, wouldn't it? Right, one thing I want to show you is quickly, guys. Sorry, it's a bit of a long swatch video. I was watching another YouTuber yesterday called Nails by Cami, and she used the Born Pretty top coat. This Born Pretty, it's their super top coat, is meant to be completely scratch resistant, and she scratched the hell out of this top coat to test it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm even going to use the pink one, which I really don't want to wreck, and some tweezers. And I'm not going to fake it or fanny about. I'm going to give it a real good scratch. Like, I'm not going to pretend and half-heartedly do it. I am going to give it a good scratch. Right, let me give it a wipe off. It's not marked it, guys. Honest to God, it's not marked it. Look. Look at that. I'm actually going to see how much pressure I would have to put on it to scratch it. I think I'm going to snap one of my own nails before this scratches. Right, I've done it. I've had to really dig that in. And I mean dig that in. No, yeah, I have. I've managed to do it. Can you see? It's more of a dint than a scratch though. The dint's there, but it's not really... Yeah, I'm so impressed with that. I seen Cammy scratching the hell out of it yesterday and I was like, oh my god. It's one thing I hate. After an hour of me having nails on, they're full of scratches. Like, look at that. All them scratches. It wouldn't happen with this top coat. It just wouldn't happen. Yeah, that's give it more of a dint. I've put a dint in the gel polish rather than a scratch. But yeah, I'm so impressed with that top coat. That's going to be getting saved for my own nails for sure. Right, shall we have a quick look at these glowing in the dark or what? What I'll do, actually, I'll stick some pictures up. I'll take some pictures off camera because, yeah, this room's too light. But I'll stick some pictures up of these glowing in the dark. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Sorry it's ended up being a bit of a long one when I'm only swatching 6 things, but it is what it is. You can always click off, can't you? Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm going to let you all go. All links to all these will be below and link to the website will be below as well. Please remember to give the video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hopefully, I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.